Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make winter cap using Fimo air drying clay. So let's get started. To begin, take the air drying clay and mold it into a cap shape. After the clay was dry, I painted it with white and purple acrylic paint. Next you can add some details. I decided to use multiple shades of pink for that. When the color is completely dry, you can add a few layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. I added 2 coats of varnish and glued the magnet on the back of the figurine. This is how my finished winter cap looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!